Hi, I want to tell you a secret how to easily earn over $80,000 a year. Then watch this short video to the end so you don't miss anything. We're talking about Sellfy, the best in the best e-commerce category, which I have been using for a long time and never doubted its effectiveness. Let's not waste time and get started. Sellfy is a cloud-based e-commerce platform designed specifically for businesses and professionals who create and sell digital goods, including everything from ebooks to music and illustrations. Using Sellfy, you can create a personalized showcase, display your products, and of course, enable customers to shop, buy, and download. With Sellfy, you can build your store in less than 5 minutes, allowing you to start your e-commerce business in the fastest and easiest way. Plus, if you already have a website or just want to sell through social media, Sellfy gives you the ability to embed products and buy buttons on your company's website as well as Facebook and YouTube. Sellfy also lets you integrate payment processing, use built-in marketing tools and analytics, and connect to over 750 third-party apps using Zapier. Sellfy offers a free 14-day trial of its service, no credit card required. Using Sellfy, you can customize your online store and completely personalize it for your business. Sellfy lets you add a logo, change colors and navigation, and edit layout and store information. Sellfy provides you with full shopping cart functionality, so customers can buy multiple items at the same time. You also have the option to set your language or let shoppers see a translated version of your store based on their location. Using Sellfy, you can host your store directly through their platform, as well as add your own domain if you like. Plus, you can use Sellfy as an embed on your current business website and customers can buy your products from there. All of Sellfy's store offerings are also mobile optimized for a seamless checkout experience on both desktop and mobile. Sellfy lets you host all your digital products and doesn't limit the number of products you can upload to your store. There are no general storage limits in your Sellfy store. However, Sellfy recommends that individual files be no larger than 5 gigabytes. You can offer both standard products and subscription services in any type of static file. Buyers can download them immediately after making a purchase. To organize your store, you can create your own product categories, sorting them according to any characteristic you choose. You can include product name, description, and image. You have the ability to offer different pricing options for all of your products, including pay what you want. With this feature, you can let shoppers choose the price they think is right for the product, or you can set a minimum price, essentially making them pay that price or more. You can also offer fixed prices per product as well as free products. While Sellfy allows you to sell a wide variety of digital content, it doesn't give you the ability to sell physical products, private label content, copyrighted material, or third-party accounts. Sellfy allows you to accept payments online right through your store. You can choose from 2 payment processing options that Sellfy offers: PayPal or Stripe. By using any of these processors, you will receive payments instantly and your customers' data will be protected. In addition to payment security, Sellfy provides anti-fraud measures to protect your products, including PDF printing, unique download links, and limited download attempts. In addition to giving you the ability to customize your store through its platform, Sellfy offers several different embedding options so you can increase your visibility and promote your business. With Sellfy, you can use a business site you already have. You can add like buy now buttons to your site, embed your entire Sellfy store, or embed specific products you have on Sellfy into your site. Sellfy lets you connect to your Facebook page so you can embed your store there as well. You can also use Sellfy for tips and end screens in YouTube videos. The Sellfy platform includes built-in marketing and analytics tools. You can email product updates and collect newsletter subscribers directly through Sellfy. You can also offer discount codes and additional product sales and create and track Facebook and Twitter ads for your store. With Sellfy's analytics dashboard, you can track your top performing products, revenue generated, traffic channels, top locations, and overall store performance. To expand your functionality and help automate your e-commerce store, Sellfy offers several integration options. You can configure Google Analytics and webhooks and integrate directly with Patreon and Facebook Live Chat. Sellfy connects to Zapier, which gives you the ability to integrate with over 750 different third-party apps, including tools like MailChimp, Trello, Salesforce, and more. Sellfy has 3 pricing plan options: Starter, Business, and Premium. Sellfy's price, as you would expect, depends on which of the 3 plans you choose. The starter plan costs $29 per month or $19 per month if you opt for an annual subscription. On the other hand, a business plan costs $59 per month or $39 per month for an annual plan. Finally, the premium plan costs $129 per month or $89 per month for the annual option. With a starter plan, you can sell up to $10,000 per year, add unlimited products, customize your store, use discount codes, and add your own domain. Next, the business plan allows you to sell up to $50,000 per year and also offers 10,000 email credits and additional product sales in addition to everything included in the starter plan. In addition to the business plan feature, the premium plan gives you the ability to sell up to $200,000 per year, includes 50,000 email credits and priority support and free site migration from another platform. That being said, it is important to note that if you exceed the sales limit for your plan, you're expected to progress to the next tier of subscription. If you don't update your account after Sellfy notifies you that the limit has been reached, you may be charged a commission of 2% on the amount of income exceeding the limit. Moreover, while this is not a direct part of Sellfy's costs, it is important to remember that you will also have to pay fees to process payments from whatever gateway you choose to work with. Typically, the Stripe or PayPal, you will be charged 2.9% plus $0.30 per transaction. However, these fees may vary depending on the location of the transaction. Sellfy doesn't charge additional processing fees for any of its 3 plans. Plus, Sellfy offers a 14-day free trial for all of its plans, no credit card required. However, you cannot handle sales with a free trial. You can only do this after you purchase a subscription plan. The first support area that is visible on the Sellfy side is the FAQ section. It helps in pre-sales questions, but that's about it. It is a simple tool, so the Sellfy documentation is only 30 items or so. It's easy to find and you don't have to worry about getting overloaded. The only way to contact the support team directly is via email. So there's no phone support, but you can get to the front of the line with a paid plan. Together with blog, Facebook, and Twitter accounts, you have quite a few places to learn about the system and contact support. Sellfy also lets you integrate payment processing, use built-in marketing tools and analytics, and connect to over 750 third-party apps using Zapier.